Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at this point we know that Honor is working on its photography focused main flagship, the Honor Magic 6 series. We already know the chipset details Honor is gonna use, its camera system, battery details, and even few days back we got a live hands-on image at the Magic 6 Pro. So there were some speculations that the lineup will go official early next year. However, now the brand has officially confirmed the launch of the Magic 6 series will take place over 2 days event starting from 10th of January 2024. The teaser confirmed the Magic 6 series will launch with the Magic OS 8.0, which is set to bring many AI features including Honor's own personal AI assistant. The Magic 6 series, or at least the Pro variant, will have a feature called Magic Capsule. It is a pill-shaped cutout on the display like the Apple's Dynamic Island. However, what makes it exciting that the user will be able to interact with the Magic Capsule apps by just looking at it. Moving forward, a few days back, Honor shared the first teaser for its Porsche design Magic 6. Now, though the teaser doesn't reveal much, however, earlier a set of leaked renders suggest how the Porsche design Magic 6 sensors could look like. Next, so you see the big brands such as Oppo, Xiaomi and Vivo are likely to use 1-inch sensor from Sony for their upcoming high-end flagships. But as per the rumors, Honor will go against the tradition and will use a 50-megapixel OV50K primary camera sensor from OmniVision, which is also 1-inch type sensor. So no doubt, it will be interesting to see how the Magic 6 Pro will perform against those with Sony's 1-inch sensor. Moreover, there is also likely to be a new periscope sensor with a huge 160-megapixel resolution. So the Magic 6 series is less than 2 weeks away from us, and most likely we will get some hands-on video before the launch date. And of course, I will keep you updated. By the way, some official press material regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series spills out some very key details. To check it out, click here. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.